All right, what is a FICO score? A FICO score is a three-digit number based on information in your credit reports. It helps lenders determine how likely you are to repay a loan. This in turn affects how much you can borrow, how many months you have to repay, and how much it will cost, like the interest rate. Look, when you build your credit score, especially your FICO score, you are going to save lots and lots of money in upfront fees and lower rates. And not only that, when you build this score, remember, you're going to qualify for loans, money like real estate that will bring back money, whether it be tax write-offs, cash flow, or appreciation. It's so darn vital that you get that FICO score up. When you apply for credit, lenders need a fast and consistent way to decide whether or not to loan you money. In most cases, they're going to look at your FICO scores. You can think of a FICO score as a summary of your credit report. It measures how long you've had credit, how much credit you have, how much of your available credit is being used, and if you've paid on time. Not only does your FICO score help lenders make smarter, quicker decisions about who they loan money to, it also helps people like you get fair and fast access to credit when you need it. Because FICO scores are based on your credit information, you have the ability to influence your score by paying bills on time, not carrying too much debt, and making smart credit choices. 30 years ago, the Fair Isaac Corporation, which that's FICO, that's what it stands for, debuted the FICO scores to provide an industry standard for scoring creditworthiness that was fair to both lenders and consumers. Before the first FICO score, there were many different scores, all with different ways of being calculated. Some even including gender and political affiliation. Thank heavens that doesn't happen these days. Why are FICO scores important? Well, FICO scores help millions of people like you gain access to the credit they need to do things like get an education, buy a first home, or cover medical expenses. Even some insurance and utility companies will check FICO scores when setting up the terms of the service. In fact, a good FICO score can save you thousands of dollars in interest and fees, as lenders are more likely to extend lower rates if you present less of a risk for them. And overall, fair, quick, consistent, and predictive scores help keep the cost of credit lower for the entire population as a whole. The more accessible credit is, the more lenders can loan, and the more efficient they can be in their process to drive costs down and pass savings on to you, the borrower. What is the difference between a FICO score and other credit scores? Because a lot of people ask this. Only FICO scores are created by the Fair Isaac Corporation and are used by 90% of the top lenders. Why? Because FICO scores are the industry standard for making accurate and fair decisions about creditworthiness. They help millions of people get credit they need for their home, a new car, or a special purchase. But remember, it's all about the companies that put the trust in the company FICO. You may have seen ads for other credit scores or likely even purchased them in the past. These other credit scores calculate your scores differently than FICO scores. So while the other credit scores may seem similar to the FICO score, they aren't, okay? Only FICO scores are used by 90% of the top lenders. And again, I got a lot of this information for this lesson alone from the company FICO, okay? So think about it this way. FICO is a private company that calculates all of these scores. So they want to present to the lenders, banks, lending institutions, whether it be public or private, they want to be on top. So they want to be trusted so that they're used, so their company keeps growing. So that's why I wanted to talk specifically about FICO scores, because it's a company. So now let's talk about what is a good FICO score. Well, every lender determines for themselves what is a good FICO score and how they will use a FICO score and other information within the loan approval process. In general, many lenders find scores above 670 as indicating good creditworthiness. Typically, the higher your score, the lower the risk and the more likely creditors are to lend to you. There are general score ranges recognized by creditors to help them make lending decisions. These ranges can also serve as goals for you to achieve. The information in your credit reports is continually changing, which means your FICO score is also updating frequently. FICO scores, let's talk about them by percent of scorable population, right? So there's a handful of different ranges, right? We've talked about this in another video, but we're going to go over specifically what FICO considers anything from poor to excellent, all right? So if you're below a 580 credit score, FICO is going to consider you as poor, okay? Your score is well below, that means your score is well below the average score of US consumers, and it demonstrates to lenders that you are a risky borrower. Now, a FICO score between 580 and 669, that's considered fair. Your score is below the average score of US consumers, though many lenders will approve loans with this score, but remember, when they approve you with that low of a FICO score, they're going to charge you more interest or added fees. Okay, that's why we want to get that number up. Now, when we're talking about a FICO score between 670 and 739, that's considered good. Your score is near or slightly above the average US consumers, and most lenders consider this a good score. Now, let's move into where we want to be at minimum. At minimum, it's between 740 and 799 on the FICO. That's considered very good. That means your score is above the average of US consumers and demonstrates to lenders that you are a very dependable borrower. That is going to get you better rates. Now let's talk about the last one. This is a FICO score of 800 and above. This is considered exceptional. Your score is well above, it's actually at the top, of the average U.S. consumer, or the average, all the consumers, right? And it clearly demonstrates to lenders that you are an exceptional borrower. Where are we going with this? We want the scores up, whether it be your FICO score, other scores in your credit report. Remember, FICO is a company that wants to gain the trust of all of these lenders out there. So it's important to consider that as well as the other credit scoring numbers so that you can save a lot of money. And remember, saving money is just like earning money. All right, with that being said, let's move on to the next lesson.